Probably like a lot of students who are first generation students, you don't really think about that. It's after you've graduated and you've shared that experience with your family that you begin to ponder such a thing. But what it became for me was something to be very proud of. My father didn't graduate from high school. My mom only went to the 9th grade in Mexico. But today I'm so very proud of what happened. So a number of my brothers followed me and other people in my family because I was the first one and they looked up to me. I think one of the things that now that I look back on it, it's amazing because I don't think the vice principal and the principal of my high school would think that I would have been where I am today, but it's all because of college. And once I got to college and began to explore, I figured out what I learned, and that happened to be English literature. And so I eventually went on to get my master's degree and become a professor at a community college, and then got into administration and got my Ph.D. It's been a wild, crazy experience for me, but the thing that I would say to those students who are first generation is college will open your eyes to the possibilities that are available to you here at the College of DuPage.